Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Tuesday. So this will hopefully be a somewhat quicker video. We'll see. That usually never works in my favor. But you guys, SKINSTORE is launching another incredible release bag, if you will, today. They are releasing and this is, you guys, this is such a good deal for everything that you're getting in here. They're releasing the SKINSTORE Expert's Choice bag. It's a bag. Box. Comes in a box. Does that count? I'm so excited to share everything that is in here with you guys. I will, of course, put a link in the description box down below. Also down there, you will find a coupon code just for you. It's not, this isn't an affiliate thing, but it's a coupon for you to save $10 on this, let's call it a bag. It is, yeah, they're calling it a limited edition bag, so I should probably call it a bag. So this bag retails for $120, but before you think, ooh, that's expensive, wait until you see everything that's in here because it's a really good one. And the coupon is for 10 bucks off, so you can get this bag for $110 with the code. Plus, make sure that you activate your Rakuten because it's always pretty darn good cash back at SKINSTORE, which is why, well, I love working with SKINSTORE and have enjoyed shopping with them for years. And I actually will have a haul coming up either later on this week or it might actually be early next week, depending on my timing. I purchased some things from SKINSTORE and a couple of other places, so I'll show you guys what I grabbed from SKINSTORE probably next week. But you guys, let us check out what is in this bag. And I feel like my camera is totally tilted. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Nice, clear, reusable bag. Certainly nice for travel, right? There are a couple of things in here that I personally am going to be putting in a donate pile. So anytime that I get one of these boxes either sent to me or I purchase one and there are items in that are not cruelty-free, because I really prefer to personally use products that are cruelty-free, if I ever get anything that is not, I will take that item and put it in a donate pile. There are a couple of women's shelters in my area that do take unused products and samples. And so if you have samples that you're not using from either Sephora or Ulta or wherever you order. We all know we always get tons and tons of samples with our orders. Most of us don't ever end up using that stuff. So put it all in a nice pile and then maybe once a year take like a big box of that stuff to a women's shelter. I know that they very much appreciate that and the products go to a very good cause that way. So anyway, just a suggestion, if there's one or two things in here that you don't think that you will personally use, they would work great in that capacity. So let's get into it, you guys. There are two of the things in here you guys know that I love. And as soon as I saw they were included, I was like, yes, thank you for putting those in there because they're fabulous. First, my beloved Sunday Riley Good Jeans. So this is not a full size. This is the 0.5 fluid ounce. So this is a smaller size, but this is more than enough for you to be able to try it, see how it works for your skin, start seeing some results, and determine whether it's worth it to you to purchase the full size or not. Personally, this is my favorite lactic acid, and I actually purchased the largest size that SKINSTORE offers. It's a couple months ago that I did that. So I'm glad to have this little one to pop in my travel bag. I love this stuff. The second thing that you guys know that I love, my beloved, I love these things. I talk about them so much. These are the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta, and thankfully they're the extra strength, which is my personal favorite, the extra strength daily peel pads. So you get 3 treatments in this box. Again, a wonderful opportunity to be able to try these, see how you feel about them, and then just purchase the Big Mama Jama. There is a 2-step process with these. Step 1, rub it over a cleansed, clean face. Leave that on for about 2 minutes and then follow with the neutralizer, which is step 2. And then you can go in with the rest of your skincare, or if this is all that you want to do, I don't know, go to bed, do whatever you want to do. But I love these, and I'm always happy to have more of these in my collection. Love them. All right, excited about this because this is a product I've been wanting to try for a while. I do deal with KP, which is that chicken skin type condition. It's keratosis pilaris. I have that on the backs of my arms, and then sometimes I will also get it on my legs. I have heard good things about this DermaDoctor KP Duty, and this is a dermatologist formulated body scrub for dry, rough, bumpy skin with 10% AHAs and PHAs. So this is for, I'm assuming, use in the shower. And by the way, this company is also cruelty free. So yes, this is going in my very own shower here. I'm really excited to try this and see how it works. I will certainly let you guys know if this is a game changer. We'll see. Also in the box is something that you guys have actually been asking me to try. So I'm kind of excited to have it. This is the Elta MD UV Sheer Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Sorry, I put on a lot of lipstick today, you guys, and I'm just realizing that it's probably just migrating to the corners of my mouth. I might look like a clown by the end of this video. So this is a transparent zinc oxide water-resistant facial sunscreen. And I have never used this. This has, is that octocrylene, 10%? And then zinc oxide, 15%. So very curious to try this. Maybe we'll just make this another SPF review for this year. Lord knows I have SPF coming. I have purchased so much SPF this year that it's coming out of my ears, you guys. But I'm always happy to have more because SPF is the one skincare item that I seem to go through very consistently, which I should, because you should be wearing it. Anyway, full size, good deal. Also here we have the MZ Skin by Dr. Miriam Zamani. I have never heard of this. I'm intrigued. This is the Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. I do love me some eye creams. I know they're not necessary. This is really nice. Ooh. So this must be a full size. I mean, I would consider a half fluid ounce, which is what this is, right? Sorry, 0.47 fluid ounces. I would consider this an eye cream size. So let's see here. Oh, that has an interesting kind of moussey texture. Let me just grab a little bit. Oh, that feels thick, actually. Oh, that's nice. It's emollient. A little bit goes a long way. Holy moly, that covered the entire back of my neck. Still going. It does have a very light scent to it, but it doesn't smell perfumey. That is hydrating. Oh, I can already tell. Those of you with dry under eyes, I think you are going to enjoy this for sure. I'm excited to try it. This is going in my bathroom right away. Also in here is an item from Dermalogica. This is obviously a smaller sample here. So this is the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. I have used this in the past and I really like this product. I've never really repurchased it. I've always gotten it in little sizes like this. Basically, this is a powder, so it comes out in a powder form. You add a little bit of water to it and you rub your skin with it gently. It works as a very mild exfoliant. It helps to kind of brighten the skin. It's a fun thing to have. And if you've never tried it, maybe you'll fall in love with it. That's kind of what's nice about stuff like this, is you might find something that you're like, I love it. I don't ever want to be without it. I feel that way about these two things. But anyway, let's keep going. There is an Eve Lom item in here, and this is a smaller size, obviously, but you are getting her muslin cloth as well as, so the full-size muslin cloth and then her cleanser. So I use this Eve L'Homme. I've had this before. I've actually been through a container of it. It smells really good. It kind of has a kind of an herbal, almost spa medicinal like scent to it. I really like the smell. But you use this as your first cleanse, and you use the muslin cloth to take it off very gently. It's a very soothing experience. This is a nice thing to have just to, like, I think, play fancy lady with, because whenever I've used this Eve L'Homme duo here, it has made me feel a little bit more fancy. So put that away. I'll put that in the bathroom. All right, this is one of the items that I personally am going to be putting into the into my donate pile. And only because Omorovicza is no longer cruelty-free, at least at the last point that I checked. So, which is a bummer because I actually quite like this, this product. I have one of these that I've had for a while that I haven't quite finished. It's the Queen of Hungary mist. This is a facial mist that you can use to refresh your skin or to apply prior to putting on your makeup, or if you're hot throughout the day, this is a wonderful thing to put inside of like your skincare fridge and then mist yourself with. It does have a really nice neroli scent to it. So it has kind of that orange blossom fragrance. I like this a lot, but I'm not going to keep it because, like I said, I still actually have one from a long time ago. And when I went to recently go look at a couple of Omorovicza products to purchase myself, I noticed that they were no longer in that cruelty-free distinction by several of like the bigger bloggers. So there's that, but that's okay. That will be a really nice thing for somebody else to receive who could probably use some pampering. So I'm sure they'll enjoy that. Two other smaller sample sizes that are in here. This one I can use because IS Clinical is cruelty-free, at least from the last time that I checked. And in here you are getting their Pro Heal Serum Plus. This is a restorative treatment. I'm gonna have to read up more about this. There's not like a ton of information in here. The Pro Heal Serum Advanced Plus is very effective in addressing the appearance of cystic acne as well as dry and sensitive skin types like those with rosacea. 2 to 3 drops in the palm of the hand using fingertip stab, smooth evenly over face and neck. Ooh, well, this is interesting. I'm excited to try this out. Maybe if this is fantastic, maybe I'll get the full size of it. But anyway, I feel like there's a fair enough in here to help me decide whether I want to splurge on the full size or not. So that'll be good. And then this particular item, SkinCeuticals, I know is not cruelty-free. So this is another one of those little things that will go into the donate pile. So really out of this set, it looks like there's 2 things that aren't cruelty-free. This is the SkinCeuticals Silymarin, Silymarin, CF. Salicylic acid acne treatment. So, yeah, interesting. Okay, well, I won't be using this one. We'll just set that right over there. And that is everything that is in the box. Also in here, you are going to get your little booklet, which will give you a description of all the products, lets you know the price point. So for example, this full size of the KP Duty retails for $32. The smaller size of that Eve L'Homme was $14. The Omorovicza Queen of Hungary Mist is $33. This particular size of the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment is $48. The Alpha Beta Peel Pads are, the value on those is $9. Oh, that is an expensive eye cream. Ooh, the MZ Skin Soothe and Smooth Collagen Activating Eye Complex is full size. It's $149. Well, that just makes this whole value of the box, honestly. How much is the Elta MD sunscreen? That's $30. So anyway, and obviously your little travel bag here. Not that most of us don't have like 800 of these, right? Anyway, you guys, this is a really incredible deal. If you are interested, I will put the information in the description box down below. I'm not sure how quickly this one will sell out, but I'll certainly mention it again in Friday Faves and Flops if it's still available. I just think this is such a good deal, and I'm so excited to try some of these things that I have not tried before. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you to SKINSTORE for sending this in advance of the release so that I could share it with you guys. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.